So I was walking around in Small Township and I found this happen. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So many people. This is so weird. That's kind of weird. But it's also kind of funny. I'm recording this. I was gonna say I'm recording this. Recording this. It's so funny. I'm recording this. It's so funny. Me too. Oh my gosh. So many people are followers on meters. Okay. I don't know what to say about this. This is funny. I just walked into Small Township and this started happening and now there's so many people. Oh my god. But still, well, it's dying down kinda, a bit. Okay, reading your camera roll. I can't click, oh my god. Oh my god, I cannot click. Move, I'm trying to click this. Shooting star 67. I can't read your camera roll. It's locked. I can't. I'm not doing it. Can't. But do not invade mine. Well, it's locked. Mine is locked, so how? Mine is locked, so how? And I am not eating a shrimp. A shrimp because I don't want to. I want to. I locked my den. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. No. Don't do it. Don't do it. Oh, I'm still recording. I'm still recording this. be shrimp. I know be shrimp. I know be shrimp. No. Be shrimp. This was like really funny. It's like 3 people left. There's 3 of the shrimps left. And now I'm not. And well, I guess I'm done. But it has died down a bit. At least it didn't like invade people's dens, because there were like so many people. Like this whole area right here was like filled with the pink shrimp. And yeah, that was really, that's just a really funny thing. And now I'm just gonna